Hello guys. Welcome to Centaur Interactive channel. Today, we will discuss social media management tips to save time and improve results. Let's get into the topic. Social media marketing is one of the most time and resource-intensive marketing techniques. The good news is that there are numerous strategies to effectively manage your time online and save time while doing so. Here are a few tips helps you save time and improve results. Number 1, set clear goals and KPIs. Social networking is a really useful tool for connecting with your online audience and establishing real relationships. It creates a sense of loyalty and trust while actively and successfully promoting the products and services of your business. But you need a technique to set, monitor, and comprehend the performance process of your social media strategy to get the most value out of it. Make it clear how monitoring the KPI will assist the organization in achieving a particular objective. Think beyond facts and figures. How do the KPIs that you monitor contribute to the company's success and the bigger, carefully crafted strategy? If your team is just starting to measure social media KPIs, be careful to gather benchmark data so that you can recognize progress when you see it and compare improvements over time. Number 2, work on the platform that your audience is in. Finding the appropriate social media channels to market your brand is essential for effective social media management. By analyzing the demographics of the users on each channel, you may ascertain which platform your audience prefers. You should also think about how engaged your audience is on that channel. In addition to demographics and engagement, you should consider how users interact with the site. You'll be able to concentrate your efforts and maximize the use of your time if you limit your options to only a few platforms. Number 3, take advantage of scheduling tools. You may schedule posts to upload on a variety of social media platforms while you're at work or attending to other tasks, utilizing a variety of different scheduling websites. Why use a scheduling tool? You can post outside of business hours, space out your posts, and also spend more time focusing on creating better content for your business. Join a service that enables you to schedule posts for social media days or even weeks in advance. TweetDeck, Hootsuite, and Buffer are all great scheduling tools to use. Number 4, outsource design, video, and content. It's hard to handle every aspect of a social media account on your own, whether you're in charge of 1 or 100. It's possible that you won't always have the time or the necessary expertise to complete a work, in which case, outsourcing will be your best friend. You may instantly access a variety of social media design advice by bringing an outside perspective, like the Centaur Interactive team. A new viewpoint may be just what it takes to create a design that turns heads. Skilled designers are aware of what works and what doesn't. Number 5, utilize social media analytics. Social media analytics goes beyond more general metrics from social networks like likes, followers, clicks, retweets, previews, and impressions. With the use of social media analytics, marketers may gain insight into users' daily lives and collect useful information about them, including their interests, activities, and even demographics. With social media analytics, you can craft a personalized customer experience, boost ROI, and improve your strategic decision-making. Number 6, always experiment and do less. Try not to attempt to use and manage all social networks at once. Before moving on to the next social network, choose just one and get it working. Always experiment to figure out when social media channels work for your business. Eliminate any networks that are not bringing you any results. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more social media management updates.